anyone who might not know what Uber is, we offer all kinds of transportation services to help people move from one place to another. Uber is present in 70 countries and we are subjected to multiple laws and regulations. From our perspective, our primary job is to help build a strong risk and compliance program which can help Uber meet our contractual obligations. That essentially led us to think about a centralized platform where we can digitize everything that we do that has an impact on risk and compliance. I think more than our business partners, customers being affected, the question was that as we move towards a world where automation is the key, we want to invest in products that help us do a lot of risk and compliance activities in an unsupervised manner. That essentially was the main trigger for us to look for solutions like ServiceNow, which will help us move the needle in terms of automation, technology enablement, and detection, as well as supervising of everything that we do around risk and compliance. ServiceNow was a natural choice for us. What truly surprised us was the flexibility and the scalability the platform offers. Our first foray into IRM was through issues and exception management. Then we implemented various other capabilities like compliance management, policy management, risk management. As we started using the platform, we found that there are other risk and compliance solutions that Uber has that can also be digitized in ServiceNow. So we ended up implementing things like anti-corruption for third parties, threat and incident management around physical security incidents, business continuity management, legal service delivery. Now, 4 years into the ServiceNow journey, we have close to 25 different solutions on the platform, about 5,000 monthly users, 25 different teams actively using the platform. So we have come a long way in terms of adopting the platform and digitizing risk and compliance, but I think there's a long way for us to go. We recently adopted ServiceNow Workspace across risk and compliance. The workspace gives our end users a more natural UI. It's very intuitive. We have seen higher user engagement. I think it has brought a very positive change around adoption of the platform, as well as overall customer satisfaction. We are very heavy users of ServiceNow Policy and Compliance solution. We have a dedicated policy portal where we host all approved policies for the entire company to do policy reviews, policy acknowledgements, policy exceptions. We're talking not only about security policies, but all policies that essentially Uber has internally and externally as well. Our journey has matured from basic control lifecycle management to end-to-end control automation. And when I talk about automation, we are talking about end-to-end, completely unsupervised automation. So robotic process automation or predictive intelligence or using indicators. This automation journey has helped us move the needle when it comes to real-time compliance monitoring. We do use ServiceNow's regulatory change management. We have a separate team that looks into various impacts that a regulation can have in internal Uber policies controls. Using ServiceNow's regulatory change management, we have implemented capabilities which helps us understand and assess the true impact of some of these changing regulations. We have been one of the early adopters of third-party risk management in ServiceNow. Uber's third-party landscape is unique and challenging in the sense that we have a large number of unique vendors. ServiceNow has helped us not only monitor and risk assess all vendors, but also roll out effective remediation mechanisms whenever we observe any gaps. We have better visibility into our vendors. We know about their issues and gaps as it impacts Uber. We have better risk monitoring techniques. And also we have automation that helps us scale the program across the globe. ServiceNow has definitely helped us unlock the potential of what we can do in the risk and compliance space. As we move towards a world where risk and compliance is not only important but necessary for us to have competitive edge, ServiceNow's products help us move the needle in terms of scalability, in terms of real-time monitoring of risk and compliance solutions, and also in terms of how we effectively report on them to our leadership, to the board, and to general public as well. We have been partnering with ServiceNow to explore various GenAI technologies that helps us meet our risk and compliance needs. So when I think about the next 3-4 years, we are looking at more automation across the board, using some of the advanced technologies that ServiceNow has to offer.